Hey, what's up you guys? My name is Vivian from ThePaperLetterBlog. Today I'm opening the Pipsticks pack. As you can see, I received not one, but two packages in the mail. I actually received these over a couple of days, but as I was working, I didn't have time to open them on camera yet. I also received the paper gang, so if you want to watch what is inside this box, I suggest you go check that video out as well. I haven't opened it yet because I'm going to start with the Pipsticks one. But first I'm going to pick a tea that I received from one of you guys. Okay, I'm going to pick this one, Feel Good Ginger and Lemon. Herbal tea with ginger, cinnamon, turmeric, lemon and nettle. I could definitely use some Feel Good. I don't know if you can hear it in my voice, but I don't know, I'm having not the greatest day, which is of course totally fine, but I just wanted to say that before any of you get worried, it's totally okay. It's just, you know, one of those lesser days. So I think opening some stickers and later on the paper game box will definitely help with that. First of all, I just redid my flower bouquet. I cannot really show you, but I hope it's not blocking the camera or anything, but yeah, let me get into this right away. Yeah, let's just go on and open the Pipsticks pack. It's a little bit dark, it's kind of like stormy weather here in the Netherlands, but I hope this works out anyway. As you can see, it's a bright red envelope with a lot of hearts on the front, so I think this might actually be a little bit Valentine's Day themed, although the envelope doesn't always seem to match the inside in terms of theme, but I really hope it's Valentine's because I would love to get started on some Valentine's Day themed mail. Okay, let me see. I'm going to take it out upside down, so that I don't spoil the content for myself. We have the little Pippi magazine, which I will look into later, and then we have a little coupon card. I really like that they changed this. It used to be kind of a, you know, a simple postcard that I never really used, but now last month and this month again, they actually changed it into something that you can use for Project Live or for snail mail, and this seems to be a coupon, a best friend forever coupon. It says to and from, good for one, and then you can write down what the coupon is for. So I actually really like that, and as you can see, that is quite Valentine's Day themed. So now let's get into the sticker pack. Like usually, I will open it upside down so that I do not, because this is see-through, I don't want to spoil the content. And I'm just going to take them out one by one. And the first thing I grab, oh, I love these colors. First thing I grab is this sticker sheet with some sort of stationery themed items. We have a little bear here, which is quite random, but the rest is all stationery, so a pencil and paint and a laptop, and I really like this, especially of the color scheme. I could definitely see myself using this for decorating or mail or my bullet journal, so this is totally my style. Also, the feel of the stickers, it's not paper, but it's also not plastic. It feels kind of nice, which is always something of importance to me. And then, oh, I can already see what this is. We have a sushi themed sheet, and I think I accidentally lost a sticker here. It's probably stuck on one of the other sheets, but we will find that later. It's a little sushi themed sheet. What I immediately dislike about this, I'm going to sound a little bit picky, but what I dislike is that the sushi has faces. I mean, why do they have faces? But other than that, I really like this. All different sorts of sushi pieces. So this is quite fun. I would probably gift this to someone else, but I'm not disappointed. There's the missing sushi stickers. I'll just put them back. And then the next sheet is a Pipsticks original sheet, and it has a lot of really like friend themed stickers. So you have these pinky promises. It says pinky promise, you're my favorite, hey boo, love you, and then all of these rock on signs. So that's actually quite funny. I never thought I would, if you would have just described this sheet to me, I probably wouldn't have thought that I liked it, but I do quite like the style of this. And again, I like all of the foiling on here and the little hearts that are scattered around it as well. Let me see if I can grab the puffy sticker because I'm quite curious. Aww, okay, this is not really my thing. It's a poodle and it's bright pink and it says, all you need is love. But it is, again, really, really fat. But I don't know if they do that every month, but I know that they do, that you can do a sticker, like a puffy sticker exchange, a swap. So if you don't like your puffy sticker, you can swap it with someone else who has a sticker you do like. So I might actually try that sometime because I do really like the Valentine's theme. But this doggo, although it's very cute, I wouldn't use it myself. My raffle ticket, which I'll put aside, and I can win prizes with that next month at least. Next up, another Pipsticks original sheet. I'm beginning to think that it's not so much Valentine's theme, it's more like BFFs. So we have this one, which has like the best friend forever theme. And then this one again, we have, it literally says BFF, and then we have these friendship bracelets and these necklaces with 2 hearts that spell best friends. And that's actually quite cute. This, you could also use this perfectly for mail to your pen pals, as it's also some kind of friendship you form. So I would definitely see myself using these for mail. And again, I really love the copper foiling on this. It's quite pretty. Okay, this is really cute. We have another Pipsticks sheet. I really like that they design so many sticker sheets. We have this one with some envelopes, some flowers and hearts and some birds, and I really, really like this. I love all of the little elements around it, the tiny flowers and hearts. I love that it has silver foiling. I love that it's envelopes because, you know, happy mail and stuff. And I just think in general this is really, really cute. What is this? It's a okay, this is a see-through sheet. It's kind of plasticky, which is totally okay, but not my usual preference. And it has a lot of birds on it doing various activities. This seems to be a recurring theme. They take an animal and then they you know, have a whole sheet with different activities. I've seen this before with bears or different animals. It's quite cute. I would not feel guilty at all sending this to someone else, but I do not see myself using this, which is also totally fine. It is quite cute, I have to say. I like this one the most. I think they're called cockatoos, right? I think I like this one the most where they are in public transport. Oh, another Pipsticks original. I keep calling them original. Oh, this is Amy Tangerine. Oh, I didn't know that they were partnering with Amy Tangerine. Amy Tangerine, I know that name because she does scrapbooking collections. So she has paper pads, die cuts, stickers, I don't know what else. But she partnered with Pipsticks. And then we have this whole sheet with different heart shapes, a little bit of how do you call that, holographic foiling, and in general very cute colors. I have to say I like the mint green colors the most, but this is quite adorable. And what else have we got? I think I'm like halfway now. Oh, this is pretty. Again, Amy Tangerine. I think this is kind of her style with a lot of shapes, a lot of quotes and word stickers. So it says better together, here is my tribe, the love list, all you need is love, friends forever, and all sorts of stuff like that. My moon and stars. And it again has that holographic purple foiling, which I wouldn't normally pick, but it goes quite well with these sticker sheets. So we have these two, and I have to say I quite like this. Another animal shaped. Oh, tigers. I've actually never seen stickers like this before. I have to say I like the originality again. So we have again these like plasticky stickers. I don't know if you guys are interested in whether they are plasticky or more paper-like, but for me that kind of matters. We have a see-through sheet, individual stickers. They're quite cute actually. I never thought I would like something like this, but I do quite like it. I might actually end up keeping this one myself, although I usually give animal themed sheets away. This could actually go quite well with, for example, layering different things or making a collage. I'm not disappointed. Oh no, not yet. Oh, another Pipsticks one. Oh, this is quite cute. Another Pipsticks one, which you can always see by the little flag in the corner. I realize now, by the way, that I forgot to say this again. This video is not sponsored in any way. I do not work with Pipsticks. Pipsticks, as far as I know, doesn't really know that I make these videos. The only thing is that there is a referral link in my description box down below. I will link the referral code, and if you guys use that code, I get credit. So if I have 3 people use my code, I get 1 pack for free. So this month was also sort of sponsored by you guys who also ordered Pipsticks. So 3 of you used my referral link, and that has resulted in this fun sticker pack for me. So I would be really grateful if you decide to sign up for Pipsticks, would use my referral code, because it helps me to continue making these videos. Another Pipsticks little square stickers. All of them are mixed types and stereos, and it's kind of a little bit retro looking, and this is quite cute. It says, "This is our song. I made you a mixtape," which is really adorable, and it has a little bit of silver foiling, and I really do quite like this. Then let me see, I think there's 2 more. Oh no, 3 more. And first of all, we have actually some planner stickers. I don't remember them ever putting in planner stickers, but these will come in really handy because of my bullet journal. Really simple paper stickers, which you know I love, and it has all of the days of the week on individual stickers 3 times. I don't know what else to say. Quite like the font, and I will definitely use these in my planner. Ooh, this is the holographic sheet of the month. They always put in one of these with simple shapes, 1 color, and this month it's hearts, which is always good if you ask me. I like heart shapes. Simple but cute. Oh, there's another one. Oh my gosh, they keep coming. So, oh, another Pipsticks, and it's a lot of mouths, and it's different quotes like "moi," "tell it like it is," "you do you," and "smile," and it has silver foiling. I do like this, but I would send it to someone else. Although it is quite cute, I don't really see myself using this, especially because it kind of annoys me that the teeth aren't perfect. There's a gap between the teeth, and I keep finding myself looking at that. So I'm going to gift this to someone else who will probably find good use for it. Losing track of where I am at. Last sheet is again, as you can see by the shape, Pipsticks. Oh, and it's all sorts of flowers. Okay, this is actually my new favorite. Has all sorts of flowers with a little bit of gold, silver foiling, which is really pretty. Just different flowers, some cherries, some leaves, and this is really my style. I am definitely going to keep this one myself, although it's perfectly divided into 4 squares, so I could also cut it up into 4 squares and then share it with people, but I might end up keeping all of it myself. Like I said, this is my new favorite. Very pretty. Okay, last thing I'm going to do is look in the Pippi magazine to see if I won, because you can always win something with your raffle ticket. First Pipsticks of 2019. It actually says here on the in the booklet, these Pip stickers are meant to share. Cut them in half and give them to your bestie. Look for them in your pack or get them and all of our Pip stickers in the online shop. So yeah, you can definitely, where is it? This one can definitely be cut in half. That's really cute, and I think all of them can be easily cut in half, so you could share them, and I'm definitely going to share them with you guys. There's actually some mail inspiration in here, which I really like. But okay, I was going in for, oh, this is such a coincidence. This is such a coincidence. It says 19 for 2019, and I was actually thinking of doing a video on that. And then this is about Amy Tangerine. But where is the winning number? December's winning number. 3466128. No, I just checked my my ticket, and unfortunately I didn't win, but obviously it would be kind of bad if I won because I already have so many stickers. But okay, that's this month's Pipsticks. I quite like it. I will read the booklet a little bit more later, but not on camera. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know which is your favorite sticker sheet out of all of these. Mine is definitely this one with the flowers. I also really like the card of the month, and this one, of course. These are my 3 favorite items from this month's Pipsticks, although I really like most of them, and I will be sharing them with all my subscribers and my pen pals. And yeah, I don't know, I'm rambling. I will leave it at this for now. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. I forgot to check the tea. I'm not usually a fan of ginger tea. I mean, I drink it a lot because it's healthy, but this is quite nice. So that's my final note. I hope you enjoyed this. Already said that. Give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel if you want to see more, if you want to see how I'm going to use all of these stickers. And I will see you again very, very soon. Okay, bye-bye.